Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back. So today we got another really cool video. We got a pretty cool part for the truck, so stay tuned. So our friends from Lasfit hooked us up with some really cool LED light bulbs for the headlights. And I'm super excited about these things. These things they look nice. Just the packaging is super high quality. Like you would expect the new iPhone to be in this box, but it's gonna be our new set of headlight bulbs, and they should be really bright. I already have LEDs in this truck, and what I got, was back in the day, they were kind of like the best LEDs that I could find for not that much money. They worked alright, but I'm pretty confident that our friends from Lasfit sent us some pretty good light bulbs. So anyways, let's dig into this box and see what we got. So like I said, this box is super nice the way it's packaged. So we got our box, some documentation with them, and you got your actual LED light bulbs. And these things look freaking awesome, man. Let me tell you what. So this is basically what you get. They feel really nice, high quality. Pretty much everything except the actual collar right here is metal. And they are fan cooled. So we'll see, man. These things, like I said, I'm pretty excited about them. I can't wait to throw them on. And the way we're gonna do this is, like I said, I already have LED lights on this thing. So what I'm gonna do is right now, I'm gonna take off one of the lights and throw on the Lasfit. And when it gets darker, we're gonna compare them and see what the difference is between the ones that we already have and what Lasfit sent us. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. Before I forget, I'm gonna read you some of the specs for this thing, because I'd be lying to you if I knew exactly what they are. But anyways, they are 36 watts per bulb, so that's 72 watts a set. 7600 lumens set, so that's 38 lumens per bulb. And they are 6000 K, so I believe that's kind of like the white, more white, which is what I like. You get a 1-year warranty with them. And yeah, I'm gonna put up real quick the actual part numbers for it. So that's the actual part number. And by the way, check out these super nice decals that they sent us. They sent this huge one. Like, this thing is seriously huge. I don't even know where I could put it on the truck. But we're for sure gonna throw on at least one of these. And check out how cool they are. They sent us some nice red ones that match exactly with our truck. So we'll be throwing these on the truck as well, because we really appreciate them hooking up the channel the way they've been. We really appreciate you guys. And they actually sent this stuff like probably almost a month ago, and they've been patient enough to wait for me to throw them on. So, thank you. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead real quick and throw these on, and it's super simple. All right, so as you can see, we're on the passenger side, and you can see the headlight bulb right there at the back of it. So that's the one we're gonna take out real quick. All you gotta do is just twist it off, pull it out, and then we're gonna throw the new one on. Okay, so I kind of had forgotten that these things have like a really special way that you do with all the light bulbs. So anyways, this is the way you gotta do it. The actual light bulb, these are actually my old light bulbs that I had in here. Now, what you gotta do is, like you saw me do, is you reach in there, you twist them off, you pull them out, and this whole thing's gonna come out. Now the next thing you gotta do is kind of reach back in, and there's gonna be this little cap. You gotta reach for that cap, twist it off, pull that out. And then lastly is the actual collar to the headlight bulb. You pull that out, that just simply slides out. So now obviously the next step is gonna be to put our new collar where this one was. So we're gonna reach in and throw it in real quick. So you just gonna reach into your hole, make sure that it goes in there, and it has a certain way that it actually has to sit in there. It has to sit there nice and flush. It has, let me pull it back out. So you basically have to align these little grooves with, you probably won't be able to see it maybe from this other side. It's really hard to show, but anyways, it has little kind of like sort of pins that fit into these grooves. So you got to make sure that all of that is nice and aligned. But you'll feel it. It'll feel nice and solid once it's in its right place. And there is that. Now, probably the hardest thing of all this is putting this second collar back on, because it's this little metal washer deal is pretty tight. So we're gonna throw that back on. Well, I think we got it. Maybe. Not really sure. I'm gonna put you guys down for a little second. Okay, there we go. So what you gotta do is kind of sort of grab it and then push in and twist until it kind of clicks in. And that's all you gotta do. Now, we're gonna grab our nice Lasfit bulb and throw it in there. Okay, but before we do that, we're actually gonna test this before we install it. So now all we gotta do is grab our plug and just simply connect it. And you guys can't even see what I'm doing. All right. Like I said, you simply just gotta grab it and connect it. And then we're gonna set it. Anyways, like I said, we're just gonna set it right there. And there you go. That thing is bright. I can't even look at it. But it's working, so that means that we can go ahead and throw it in the bulb, in the housing. All right. Now also you gotta find the grooves and then twist and lock it in place. And there we go, we should be good. Okay, so one more thing I'm gonna do before I throw it on is actually throw on some tape on the connection. And this has nothing to do with the actual Lasfit bulb or anything. It was the same thing with my old bulb, if you can tell I have tape on it. I think it's just my plug that's a little loose or something. And what it was doing is, it was actually loose enough to where it would mess with the light bulb. So we're just gonna throw some tape on it, nice and tight. And there we go. That is that. Again, we're just gonna reach in from behind. And there we go. They are in. Now, one thing is that I would be lying if I told you guys that I knew which way they go. But the way that I put them in is, let me show you. So anyways, the way that I did it is, if you can tell on the bulb, there is a like Lasfit logo on it. And I put it so that the Lasfit logo was, you know, the right side up. Because I figured that if there's any way that it should go, it should be with the Lasfit logo up, but we'll see. What I'm gonna do real quick is actually test these out in the housing on the daylight and see if there's any visible difference during daytime. Whoa, okay. I'm not gonna show you anything yet, but as you can see, it is daylight out. And I can already tell you, these things are nice. Like, wow. Hopefully you can tell the difference on the camera, because sometimes the camera kind of, you know, like levels out, you know, like different light levels or whatever. But I can really tell the difference. Anyways, I'm gonna show you right now real quick. Can you see that? Look at that. That's our new Lasfit bulb on this side, and this is the LED bulb that we had on. I can't believe how much better that looks. I can't wait to test drive this thing at night. It's gonna look amazing. Now let me try something else. So that's our bright. Again, a significant difference. Wow, I'm super happy. And like I said, I can't wait to try these things out at night. They are gonna look great. So all we got left to do right now is close the hood for now. And I'm gonna do something that, to be quite honest with you guys, I don't like doing. I'm not a huge fan of decals, but I think Lasfit definitely deserves to have their decal on our truck. So we're gonna do that right now. Hopefully I don't mess this up. Oh, damn it, I just did. Hopefully we can still make this work. There we go. Now we just gotta put the A back on. Okay, might not be perfect, but it looks good on there. It goes good with the truck. And again, thank you guys for my Lasfit. I really appreciate it. Okay, I really can't stop looking at this. It looks really good. Like, even the color, like you can tell that these are gonna be much like wider and nicer than those ones. Like it's on these ones, I don't know if you can tell, but like the whole beam is really spread out, not really that concentrated. On the Lasfit, it's got a really nice cutoff line, and they're really nice and concentrated. So I'm really excited for that. Now, the only bad part is that it's like 4:30, and it doesn't get dark here until like 8:30. So we got like 4 hours that we got to kill until then. And by the way, I also fixed the decal because I just gonna leave it like that. That looks really good. I really like how they sent me a nice red one to match my truck. It looks really good. And this is just starting to sound like a commercial a lot, isn't it? But I'm really excited about these lights. One thing that I hate about this truck is how it doesn't have great lighting, you know? Like, I was happy with my light bulbs. I thought that they were, you know, good enough, but I really didn't know how much I was missing out on until now. So anyways, let's wait till night. Okay guys, so it's finally nighttime, so we're gonna go ahead and go drive the truck and test the lights, see how our cheap LED light compares to the Lasfit light that we got. So let's go ahead and do that. So okay, so just looking at it in the garage, you can tell right away that our Lasfit is way brighter than the LED that we had on here. But we're gonna back it up and test it in a really nice dark spot. Okay, so you can tell that there was a significant difference between the LEDs that we already had on here and our new Lasfit. I'm really happy with these. I do think that we gotta aim them a little bit better, maybe a little bit higher, but I'm definitely really happy with them. So we're gonna go ahead and throw the driver's light on there and go for another drive and see how they both look on this thing. Okay guys, so it's so much harder to really show you how much better these things are in video. But man, they really are good. Now we do gotta aim these things because they're I don't know if you can tell, but they are aimed way low. But we'll save that for another video because this thing's already going on way too long. But I am definitely super happy with these lights. They're brighter just all the way around, not just in front of us, but they actually light up better to kind of the side of the truck. You probably can't see anything just because this thing doesn't really pick up the light, you know, as well as I do. But these things work way better than our old LEDs did. So I'm definitely way happy with them. But anyways, we'll pick this up back up at the house. So I've been running the Lasfit light bulbs now for about a week. And I gotta say, I'm really happy with them. They've been doing great. As you saw, they're nice and bright. The only thing I gotta do is still align them properly, aim them properly. But they've been doing great. And I'm really happy with them. So that's basically gonna be it for this video. Definitely a big thumbs up to our Lasfit and a big thank you for sending us those lights. If you want to check them out, I'll leave a link down below to their website, as well as a link to the actual light bulbs with a discount code that you can use to save some money on your order, because you know we all want to save some money. Anyways, I really hope that you liked the video. Hopefully you consider hitting the like button, subscribing, and leave any comments if you have any questions at all. And we'll see you for the next one. Thank you, and see you later.